what we're seeing in the market is a lot of mixed signals. So we're hearing from our contractors that we're working with that their backlogs are full, that they are as busy as they've ever been. And from a backlog perspective, the market looks great. But then when we look at some of the economic indicators behind that, we see that demand is being met in many markets. Demand is being met in many segments. There's the economic signals that show that a slowdown is coming. I think there's a couple of near-term things that they can do to start positioning for that. So a couple of those things are really getting to know your customer base, really becoming entrenched with those contractors that are ultimately buying your product. And in today's times, becoming more influential in both the specification and ultimately are influencing owners and engineers to a greater extent. Diversifying the markets you service, the owners you are targeting, is really key moving forward. One of the requests we're getting more and more from building product manufacturers is how to help them optimize their sales forces. It's really looking at how effective your sales organization is at a local level. So are you really capitalizing on all of the opportunity that's available to you? When we talk about design build or IPD, we're seeing the need for building product manufacturers to have a greater involvement in pre-construction. We see their value being increased. We also see the challenges of them learning how to operate in that environment, how to bring the value to the table that they're capable of doing. So we see that as being something that's going to rapidly evolve the way manufacturers work with contractors, how they work with builders, how they work with architects and engineers, and ultimately the end owner.